In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a QBO file into QuickBooks Online. First, let's talk about where that QBO file actually comes from. You don't download it from inside QuickBooks. Instead, sign in directly to your bank's website using your normal online banking login. Once you're in, look for an option like Download Transactions, Export, or Download to Accounting Software. When you see file format options, choose the QBO or Web Connect option. Save that file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated accounting folder, so you're not hunting for it later. Now open a new tab and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're in the right company file if you manage more than one. Give QuickBooks a moment to load the dashboard fully before moving on. Next, we'll navigate to the area where QuickBooks handles imported bank data. You can get there in a couple of ways. One option is to click the gear icon, which is your settings menu, in the top right corner. From there, choose Import Data, and then select Bank Data. Another option is to go straight to the Banking or Transactions menu on the left-hand navigation bar. Either path will take you to the place where you can bring in your QBO file. Once you're on the banking screen, look for the Link Account drop-down. Instead of connecting to a bank directly, choose the option that says Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks you've already downloaded the file from your bank and you're ready to upload it manually. Now it's time to select the file. You can simply drag your QBO file into the upload area if you have it handy, or click the Browse button to open your File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you saved the QBO file. Select it and confirm. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to map the file to an account. This is where you tell QuickBooks which bank or credit card register the transactions belong to. Choose an existing account from the list, like your main checking or credit card account, or create a new one if this is a brand new feed. When you're ready, click Next. QuickBooks will then show you some details about the file, such as the account ID, the account type, and the date range of the transactions. After that, you'll see a list of the imported transactions waiting for review. This final step is where the real organization happens. Go through each transaction or batches of similar ones and review them carefully. Match bank descriptions to your existing vendors or payees where possible so your records stay consistent. Then assign the correct income or expense category for each item, such as utilities, rent, sales, or bank charges. When everything looks accurate and you're comfortable with the mappings and categories, click Yes, and let's go to complete the import. Your transactions will move into the For Review or Categorized section, ready for reconciliation and reporting.